Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a phone Gamepad app and its Chromebook companion. This is required so both ends speak the same protocol. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network or plug the phone via USB for a stable link. Grant the permissions the apps ask for network, input emulation, and location if required. This first step gets the connection established. Without it, mapping can occur. Now open both apps and watch for the device pairing prompt. You now configure how the phone will act. Select joystick or touch emulation and begin mapping. Tap each virtual button, assign it to the corresponding gamepad control, and save a profile per game. This avoids remapping later. Make sure to calibrate sticks in the app and set the low latency or high performance mode if available. If wireless lag persists, switch to USB tethering or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. These middle steps shape input fidelity, so take time to test controls. You finish by launching a game that recognizes controllers and selecting your virtual gamepad in its input settings. Test every button and axis with an in-game calibration or a gamepad tester to confirm responsiveness. If buttons are swapped or laggy, reload the saved profile, remap the offending inputs, and try USB tethering for higher stability. One key troubleshooting tip: if connection fails entirely, restart both apps, toggle USB debugging on the phone, or switch to the opposite connection method. Many problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.